Next one is blow.
So I'm gonna give an example. Alright, we in the ocean, right? Come with me and you swim.
Alright. Doggy paddle.
Yeah, cause your doggy paddle for real. What that? What? Over there so.
What?
It's a blow shark that!
Right now, I want a meal for share with me. I'm a friend them. I grade it a kick. Tight.
What's up, guys? You know, sir, Chatty.
And I'm Danny.
Sorry.
Oh my God.
You know we're here for a good
A
time.
long time, minus the verb.
Hope you guys are enjoying the day. We have a special video. We're excited. We said we had to do the video right now.
But wait, before we talk about the video,
Just put me out here.
you know we got to pick up our
Notification gang, notification squad, notification unruly. Comment down below right now. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell there, and you hit the like button right now. If you want to be a part of notification squad,
hit
the like bell. Me say hit the like button.
and then hit the
Hit the
bell.
bell, you know, sure.
And then comment, hashtag, notification, something.
Yeah. So, the special video we got for you guys today
is famous Jamaican bad words or curse words or any kind of word that Jamaicans use in their daily
yeah, it's not like the big curse words, so it's like the funny curse words like
that you can use in any situation but you just know what it means.
so that is gonna say a word and we're gonna give an example, like an expression and whatever off of it. So it should be interesting.
Okay guys, so first phrase is kiss my ass.
Kiss me ass, away out here. NASA, take that off. Kiss me ass.
You can't end it with kiss my ass.
Kiss me ass.
Alright.
Look on her.
Alright. You're too into character. Nice. Okay, next one, blood seed.
Blood seed. Oh, him drop off of the ass. Oh, him drop off of the ass. Oh, him drop off of the ass. Blood seed. It's more like a shocking thing, right?
Yeah, like you shot.
Yeah.
Next one is rasshole.
This rascal boy don't doing schoolwork. I am sick. He don't doing schoolwork. This rascal boy, you see? You have to cringe up the teeth in the rascal boy, you see?
That's when you know you're gonna get a lit dog.
Yeah. Your ears, your skin, everything I'll get hurt.
Okay.
That's kind of the high level of curse, like yeah, you reach the brinking limit. That's
You
like
know, it's everything after that is bad.
You're in the balloon, I'm bored for boss.
Next one is bumbaras.
Alright. Y'all took up my car keys, right? Take it.
I have the car keys.
I would have bumbaras you got in my car. Eh? You put any gas in there? Eh? You put any gas in there?
Yes.
You think I handle this? You can just take me car? Eh? I would have bumbaras you go. By the way, I'm just using my life experiences.
Next one is blurt meat.
Alright, I'm on the phone, right? I'm on the phone.
Yeah.
Blurt neat. Me can't believe say Marcia Aggie Jerry Bun. Oh God, blurt neat. A Dakagwan. Oh God. Jerry is doing those things. Me think Marcia was better.
Marcia and Jerry.
I kind of lost the story too, you know. I don't remember if I said Marcia said it was giving the money. I don't know, but you know, you get the idea.
Next one is blow.
Alright.
I love blow.
This is
My father used to say this all the time.
yeah. Blow to me like
It's so
for
funny.
an old Jamaican, like an old person Jamaican to say it is kind of
It's
funny.
so
It's
funny.
funny. Blow. Alright. Oh wow. So
Alright, ready?
yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna give an example. Alright. We in the ocean, right? Come with me and you swim.
Alright. Doggy paddle.
Yeah, cause your doggy pan for real. What that? What that? Over there so.
What?
It's a blow shark that.
You're so stupid.
You see me up over cause I don't go into the sea water, guys. I stay out. I stay on the beach side. I just look
Catch
out.
me on the sun.
Yeah, catch me on the sun.
Next one, blurt not.
Alright. I'm a farmer.
Oh God, he's gonna start acting about now.
Walking. Turn the corner. Blur not! Them teeth, me goat them. Hey Ron, them teeth, me goat them. You can't believe that? Blur not! What am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do? Them all take me rummy.
Alright, son. Next one for you is bumbo.
My throat I kinda go right now.
Yeah, it's shouting.
Yeah. What the word?
Sorry. Bumbo.
Alright, alright, so I'm a kid, right? Yo, where are the brother? Don't touch that, my youth. Don't touch that. Bumbo! You broke my mother vase. Oh, what am I gonna know? I'm gonna get the beating and you in the dog. Oh, yeah, no. You don't leave me, dog? Yeah, man, you can't leave me, dog. My mother gonna beat me.
Alright. Actors 101. Next one is Ross.
Alright. Annoying. How can I annoy this? Because this is not annoying, not even close to annoying. Oh, what the Ross wrong with you? See, it's how natural came out?
Yeah, can you tell me that all the time?
Yeah, sometimes she be doing some weird things. She be in the room and be like, I wonder what the hell is that? What the Ross wrong with you?
Sometimes I just get bored, guys.
And that's it to the people.
Okay, so next one is blood fire.
Alright, we're into the car, right? Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
we
sorry.
Wait, just
Who's driving?
strap on your seatbelt. Just put on your seatbelt and don't move. Alright, ready? Although in Jamaica, when I run with seatbelt, take off your seatbelt.
Alright.
Alright, ready? We're in a car now. In a pothole. Boodum, 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 boodum. What that? What that? Boodum, boodum, boodum. Blood fire! I'm tired of that!
So the last one we have is backside.
Alright, my voice will go. Alright, go.
This
Ready?
is the last one, actor.
Alright.
We'll pay you after.
Jesus Christ. See, what's one day? That's a really curse word. Right?
Jesus.
Alright. What the word again? Where is the verb?
Backside.
Backside. Yeah. Yeah. Backside! Shelly Ann breed again? That girl that just have 3 picnic. She not just have 3 picnic. Backside! Me can't believe she breed again. No sir. No sir. No sir. And you know, so she don't know the baby father them. And she get there and I know.
Alright.
Big up to Shelly Ann. Big up to any Shelly Anns out there. Big up.
Okay guys, so that was our renditions of popular Jamaican phrases.
Yeah, curse
They're
words.
not really curse words.
Yeah, but it's like funny curse words because
you can use them in any way, any sentence, and you know what they mean.
Yeah, and I feel like they're not too like rated R type of things, you know. I just feel like they're fun. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit the like button, smash it.
Share, subscribe.
Yeah man, subscribe if you want to be a part of the family.
And you know what time it is?
You know what time it is? Notification shout out time. We can't really shout out right now, but I'm gonna shout out. If you know what I mean. Hit the subscribe button, don't forget.
Okay, the first notification shout out goes to Beauty by Skittles.
Beauty by Skittles, you're going right over Danielle's head top right here. Over her head, pick up your damn self.
Next notification shout out goes to Sharika Facey.
Sharika Facey, pick up your damn self. Big up, go over right here.
And last but not least, Feria Bako.
Feria Bako, pick up your damn self. You're going right over Danielle again. To everybody going over Danielle, right over here. Remember, if you want to be a part of the family, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the notification bell.
And hashtag notification squad, notification gang, anything.
Unruly, unmadness.
Oh my god.
Notification, zip. Hey, anybody who comment, notification, zip.
Nobody comment that, please.
Notification, zip, and we are
out.
Right now, me want a meal for share with me. I'm a friend them. I grade it a kick. I tight, tight, tight.